YNW Melly. YNW Melly, one of my favorite artists. I got murder on my mind. Now, YNW Melly has recently received 6 additional charges. All right. You already know he had tampering with the witness. The mother, seemingly, I don't know if the mother, well, the daughter had a warrant. She wanted to actually come in and speak in court. But the reason she said she didn't come speak in court because she had a warrant. And I think they've lifted her warrant as of recently. Right. And it seemed like the mother was on YNW Melly's side, but contrary to what we was thinking, there was some texts that were released, and it showed that I don't know what to say, but the texts were revealed. I wish I could pull up the texts for you guys, but I'm just gonna paraphrase. The mother said that what the mother saying? The mother was saying that she knows what Melly did. All right. Apparently, I think Melly and them would allegedly they were saying that Melly put pressure on the daughter. I guess the mother was under that impression. We got to be real careful with this, right? Because there's still court going on, right? And I don't want to influence this case at all. But nonetheless, the mother allegedly said that they were putting pressure on the daughter. I'm paraphrasing now. And it seems like she was not, she wasn't fond of that. And maybe there was some fear involved there, allegedly. But nonetheless, Melly has been hit with 6 additional charges. All right. So Melly's case is not looking that great, but once again, I'm not qualified to say certain things because I'm not a lawyer. And we hoping that in his case, things still turn out for the better for him. Here, let me tell you something, man. Just because somebody kills somebody, that doesn't mean that they're wrong. And I'm not saying that's what took place. But on this platform, we just don't condemn people. We don't persecute people before they get their due chance in court. All right. So that's the reason why you have courts and you have judges and you have jurors, right? So these people could wrestle with the idea and find out whether this man is responsible or not. So I don't want to condemn YNW Melly. I understand what took place. I understand the degree of the crime. All right, it's murder. It's a double murder. But still, at the same time, we got to keep in mind we don't know all the details. So I'm not going to condemn YNW Melly. So shout out to Melly. Shout out to YNW Portland. That's his partner. A lot of people forgot about Portland, but shout out to him too. And there was Portland. I think Portland had this paper, but they confiscated this paper that Portland had. Portland seemingly, I don't know if he saw the jurors, but Portland knew how to describe all the jurors. He had a diagram of the jurors, I guess, where they're sitting, right? And he also has he described each juror in this diagram, right? There's a lot of things that's popping up in this YNW Melly case. Like I said, it's not looking that great. And I'm still confused to how this man was getting prosecuted. How's he going to trial twice? Now, I'm not a lawyer, but it still don't make sense. It was a hung jury. Now they brought the man back twice and they hit him with 6 more charges. You know, was there any manipulation involved in that? I'm skeptical about that. How that man just got hit with 6 additional charges. What was the difference between the last time that he went to trial versus the weeks following? It's a big difference with 6 different new charges, man. But nonetheless, shout out to YNW Melly. Shout out to Portland also. All right. On behalf of L.O.T.S approved media. That part. You guys do me a favor. As soon as you come in the building, hit that like button. And I need you guys to share this also. Like I said, you guys have your own flock. Share this with your flock. All right. You got people that admire you. And let's get everybody acclimated so everybody can enjoy this experience.